Notice that the lights will be blinking on the front and the rear. So other videos have indicated that you put the key in and you unlock the passenger door. If we come back, the clicking is stopped. So now we can go in, we can start the Jeep. Or there's the key cylinder indicator at the end. And you can unplug that and you'll see it here. And you can turn the mechanism there. I guess we'll go through the program again. So it's locked. Unlock it with the key. Come in. Bypassed. If you don't want to find that indicator switch, you can also unplug it here and it should also be able to start. And that's how you bypass the alarm system.